If you look at SuperBox and vSeeBox, the difference really comes down to how they feel to use. vSeeBox usually comes across as the smoother and more modern option. The interface responds quicker, things load faster, and you don't get as much freezing or buffering. It just feels like a newer device overall, the kind you plug in and forget about because it actually keeps up. SuperBox works, but it definitely feels older and more basic. The menus are slower, the whole system feels heavier, and you'll notice more little hiccups, like channels taking longer to load or the app stalling here and there. It's not unusable, it's just not as polished. The one thing it has going for it is that it's often the cheaper and simpler option, so if someone wants something extremely basic and doesn't care about speed or modern features, SuperBox can be good enough. But if you're comparing the general experience, vSeeBox just feels nicer. It's quicker, smoother, and overall more reliable. SuperBox feels more like the budget pick, while vSeeBox feels like the box made for people who actually want everything to run properly without babysitting it.